Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly open the Facebook application. So after this you can see three lines on the top right corner. So click on it and then you can see setting and privacy options, so just click on setting and privacy. So after this you can see setting options, so click on it and then scroll down and you can see audience and visibility. So in audience and visibility you can see blocking options, so click on it and here you can see the list of name which you have to block. So for example, I want to unblock this person, so just click on it and here you can see unblock option, so just click on unblock. So here wait some second and you can see this person is unblocked. So guys, in this way you can unblock anyone on Facebook. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.